Gemini 2018. Financial matter. For financial matter, we discuss about best month for financial matter: January, February, October, December. In this month, your financial position has been very positive, has been gained. But I also mentioned the difficult months for your financial matter: April, July. These months are very difficult for your financial matter. Please be careful in this month. Property matter. For the property matter, January month has been very negative for your property matter. February month has been very positive. March month has been very negative for your property matter. June month has been very positive, and August also very positive for your property matter related: sale, purchase, construction. Your children, your love matter, and education. March is very positive for your children health, for your children, for your love matter, for your educations. May also very best time for doing this purpose. In July, your health of your children and your study or your love matter has been affected, or maybe your relation very worst. In September, this matter has been also very positive. October, be careful in October for your children health, education, and your love matter. December also very negative month for your children health, your love matters, your education matter. Education, health wise, for I also mentioned the month in which your health has been very poor or ill. That is March. March month is very bad for your health. April month very bad for your health. June, September, December. These months are very bad for your health, and chronic disease may increase, or if not happen, you have to suffer from a chronic disease. Litigation matters. That June, September, October are very bad month for litigation purpose. If you have filed a litigations, you may lose your case, or in this month you have been face a litigation problems. Marriage purpose. For this purpose, these years very positive, except January. In January, you have not doing marriage purpose related events. For business, this year is very positive for your business matter or partnership, and you have a very positive financial gain in this year. Accident matters. This year has been very possibility to making a major accidents. I also mentioned April, December. In this month, you may suffer from a chronic disease, or you have a accident, facing a accident matters. Foreign travel, immigration matters. Foreign travel, that has very careful about in this years for foreign travel contract, immigration matters. Job or career. For job, March and December very positive month in this year. In this month, you have a promotion, you have upgradation, you have a best job.